Hey, what is going on? I wanted to grab you guys' attention while I got it. Update just 2 minutes ago, 12:50, 12:53. Today is the 26th of September, the 29th. The creator Adriana Villas is going to be going inside of Affinity Processing Coaching Group with another phenomenal coaching session. I can't wait to get in on that. So yeah, she's gonna be telling us. She say, Aloha team, I'm going live Friday, September 29th at 9 a.m. P Eastern time, 12:30 p.m. Eastern. We have been working on behind the scenes to create new training for what is working today. I have some big announcements for all the team members. There will be some new changes and additions coming to IPS that will help you grow your IPS business and automation. You will also learn a new way that you will be able to earn instant commissions. You will not want to miss out on this if you're ready to end 2023 with a big win. If you're ready for a new change, comment I'm ready. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready. I'm so pumped up. I love when she go live and she gets in the group and she gives her knowledge and stuff, and I'm excited to see what new changes they come in with the Infinity Processing System. I love all the new changes and updates that she just done earlier this year when it came to Affinity Processing System. So to have a system that's always evolving and always changing and updating to the current situation and what's going on in the market and the strategies that is happening and helping people have success within the market. Awesome phenomenon to be able to keep up with what's going on and what's current. Man, I figure that to be a mind blower. So I will be there on the 29th at 9 o'clock. That will be September 29th at 9 o'clock. If you want to get in on this, I have a link in the description in the bottom. I would recommend that you get in now before the changes happen. Maybe prices go up, maybe prices go down. But I would say get in now, situate yourself at the top level so that way you get all the better benefits and features that's going to be updated within the system. I don't know what's going to happen. I got to be there. You got to be there. So, in order to be there, make sure you hit the link in the description and make sure that you go through the video. Go through the video. Man, you guys, I'm sorry. I'm just so excited. Get through the video. Choose what product level you want to come in at, and I'll see you on the inside. Show you real quick how you get started with it. You're gonna join one of the levels, get access to your product, step-by-step digital training. We show you how to place those ads. We're on social media, so that way you get tons of traffic, and then start collecting 100% daily income, you guys. If you want in on this, get to the link in the bottom description. Don't miss out on this training. It's going to be awesome. Please link up with me on Messenger if you want to know more about the Infinity Processing System. And I'm excited. And I'll see you guys on the inside. And I'll be back on September 29th. Make sure you hear. Subscribe, hit that notification so you can get the update on what's going on with inside Infinity Processing System. Subscribe right now, bro. Let's go. Let's get it. I'm pumped. See what's going on. Man, I'm telling you. I'll give it to you guys later.